Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You're starting immediately. Pick a 7-day challenge and commit out loud to one measurable goal, like 2 hours of screen time per day. Once decided, remove attention-grabbing apps from your home screen and group essentials into a single folder so you encounter them less. Then enable Do Not Disturb and create 60 to 90-minute focused blocks in your calendar. This prevents reflex checking and trains your brain to tolerate boredom so you can build momentum fast. Now you handle the middle work where habits change. Set strict app timers and OS limits, for example 30 to 60-minute caps on social apps, and honor them by removing quick overrides. Once those limits are active, replace habitual scrolling with a concrete substitute, 20 to 30 minutes of reading, journaling, or a walk, so you still get reward without the phone. Also introduce friction by charging your device outside the bedroom or using a timer lockbox to stop impulsive grabs during low willpower hours. To finish the cycle, perform a weekly review. Check screen time trends and reward progress with non-phone treats, not extra scrolling. Once done, tighten or relax limits by small increments to keep them realistic. If your usage rebounds by more than 20%, reintroduce barriers like charging outside the room and stricter timers. If relapse happens, pause and identify the trigger, boredom, stress, or notifications, and then add one concrete swap or barrier immediately.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.